What if just two simple ingredients could shake up your health in just 1 week? Sounds almost too easy, right? Grab a handful of dates and a pinch of ground ginger, and you've got a powerful duo that can transform how you feel. Intrigued? You should be. From improving digestion and boosting energy to enhancing your skin and cognitive health, the benefits of this combination might just surprise you. Stick around as we dive into how dates and ginger work together to create a healthier, happier you. Let's talk digestion. Ever had that sluggish, weighed-down feeling after a meal? Or maybe you've wrestled with bloating that just won't quit, leaving you wondering if your digestive system decided to go on strike. You're not alone. Digestive discomfort is a common struggle, especially as we get older. But here's the good news. This simple combo of dates and ginger can swoop in like your reliable bestie, armed with all the solutions you didn't know you needed. Ready to dive into how this works? Stick around because it's about to get interesting. Dates, those sweet and chewy little treasures, are like nature's way of saying, hey, your gut deserves some love. Packed with fiber, they give your digestive system a gentle nudge to keep things running smoothly. Not only can fiber help prevent constipation, but it also feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It's like giving your digestive system a mini spa day, creating a balanced and thriving environment. Now let's chat about ginger, the spicy superstar that's been soothing stomachs for centuries. Whether you're feeling queasy or dealing with indigestion, ginger has your back. Its natural compounds, like gingerol, work wonders to calm your digestive tract and ease discomfort. And here's the best part. Ginger can help your stomach empty faster, so you're not stuck feeling bloated or sluggish after a meal. It's like giving your digestion a turbo boost. Put dates and ginger together, and you've got a true digestive dream team. Start your morning with a warm cup of ginger tea and a couple of dates on the side, or blend them into a smoothie for a quick, tasty boost. In just a week, you'll notice less bloating, smoother digestion, and a belly that feels much more at ease. Who would have thought two humble ingredients could make such a big difference? Now, let's talk energy and stamina. Be honest, how often do you reach for that second cup of coffee or a sugary snack just to get through the day? We've all been there. But here's the thing. There's a natural way to power up without the dreaded energy crash. Meet your new dynamic duo, dates and ginger. Dates are like little bites of nature's energy magic. Packed with natural sugars like glucose and fructose, they deliver a quick energy boost when you need it most. But don't worry, unlike processed snacks, dates are full of fiber, which helps release energy gradually. That means no dramatic sugar highs or lows, just steady fuel to keep you going strong. Then there's ginger, the underrated hero of circulation. By boosting blood flow, it ensures your muscles and brain get all the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform at their peak. Picture yourself feeling sharper, more focused, and ready to conquer the day. All thanks to this spicy little root. Together, dates and ginger are the ultimate energy game changers. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Waking up with stiff joints or sore muscles? It's like your body's way of saying, hey, I need some TLC. Thankfully, dates and ginger are here to help. Literally. Ginger has long been hailed as nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Its active compounds, gingerol and shogel, go straight to the source of inflammation, easing discomfort in your muscles and joints. Whether it's arthritis, post-workout soreness, or just the everyday aches that come with life, ginger provides a gentle yet powerful remedy. Now, dates may not be the poster child for anti-inflammatory relief, but don't count them out. These sweet gems are packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, which tackle oxidative stress, the sneaky culprit behind many inflammatory issues. Together, dates and ginger form a dynamic duo against pain, speeding up recovery and promoting all-around comfort. For instant relief, brew a comforting cup of ginger tea and enjoy it with a couple of dates for a sweet, spicy treat. Feeling adventurous? Blend dates and ginger into a paste and mix it with warm water for a soothing elixir. It's not just a solution for pain, it's a little act of self-care that leaves you feeling nourished and at ease. And isn't that what good health is all about? Detox and immunity boost. Think of your body as your home, and toxins as the clutter that builds up over time. Feeling sluggish and run down? That's the mess making itself known. Enter the dream team of dates and ginger to clear the chaos and get you back on track. Dates do more than satisfy your sweet tooth. They're full of antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which act as your body's personal cleaning crew. These compounds sweep away harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting your cells from damage. Plus, the fiber in dates keeps your digestive system humming along, flushing out toxins and ensuring everything stays on track. Ginger joins the mission with its detoxifying superpowers, boosting circulation and supporting your liver, the ultimate detox organ. Together, they work seamlessly to cleanse your system, leaving you feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the world. For an easy detox boost, sip on ginger tea with a side of dates, or blend them into a smoothie for a delicious and health-packed treat. These two ingredients prove that sometimes the simplest things can make the biggest impact. Now, let's shine a spotlight on ginger, the ultimate sidekick in your detox journey. With its powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, ginger gets to work targeting inflammation and helping your liver, the superstar of detoxification, eliminate toxins more efficiently. Its key compound, gingerol, doesn't just stop there. It also boosts circulation, ensuring nutrients flow to every cell while waste is swiftly carried away. When paired with dates, this duo does more than just detoxify. They also give your immune system a serious upgrade. Packed with nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium, these two work together to strengthen your body's defenses. Imagine starting your day with a warm, soothing cup of ginger tea mixed with chopped dates. Comforting, nourishing, and oh so effective. In just a week, you might notice a burst of energy and fewer colds knocking at your door. Skin and hair glow. Let's talk about glowing skin and luscious hair, something we all dream of as the years roll by. Believe it or not, the secret to a radiant look might already be in your kitchen. Dates and ginger. Dates are little bundles of skin-loving nutrients like vitamins B, 5, and C. These vitamins are vital for maintaining skin elasticity and boosting collagen production, which keeps your skin looking firm and youthful. Plus, the natural sugars in dates hydrate your skin from within, fighting off dryness and dullness. For your hair, dates bring their iron-rich magic to the table. Improved blood flow to the scalp, thanks to iron, means healthier hair growth and stronger strands. Meanwhile, ginger's circulation-boosting benefits enhance nutrient delivery to your skin and scalp, promoting a vibrant, healthy appearance. Pairing these two is like giving your beauty routine a natural upgrade. Whether you snack on dates with a side of ginger tea or incorporate them into a smoothie, your skin and hair will thank you with a radiant glow and bounce that's hard to miss. Ginger is truly your skin and hair's best friend. Its antioxidants create a shield against environmental damage like UV rays and pollution, factors that can speed up aging. Plus, ginger's ability to boost blood flow ensures your scalp gets a steady dose of nutrients, helping to strengthen hair from the root. Picture this, a creamy smoothie made with dates, ginger, and a splash of almond milk. It's not just delicious, it's like a beauty treatment in a glass. Sip on this magic regularly, and you'll notice a glow to your skin and a shine in your hair that even the priciest products can't match. Who wouldn't want that kind of natural radiance, right? Cardiovascular benefits. Now let's talk about your heart, the powerhouse that keeps everything running. Have you ever stopped to think about how hard it works every single day? It deserves some love and care, and guess what? Dates and ginger are here to be your heart's biggest cheerleaders. Dates are packed with potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. This keeps your heartbeat steady and helps lower the risk of hypertension, a silent foe that sneaks up on many of us as we age. And let's not forget the fiber in dates, which helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, keeping your arteries clear and healthy. Ginger, on the other hand, is like the heart's personal bodyguard. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling in blood vessels, improve circulation, and lower the risk of blood clots. Gingerol, the superstar compound, works to relax blood vessels, naturally reducing blood pressure. Together, dates and ginger form a soothing, heart-healthy combo that your cardiovascular system will thank you for. Start simple. Sprinkle chopped dates and a touch of grated ginger over your morning oatmeal, or enjoy a cup of ginger tea with a few dates as a snack. These small but mighty habits can lead to big changes, giving your heart the care it truly deserves. After all, isn't it time you showed your heart a little extra love? Blood sugar regulation? When you hear dates, their natural sweetness might give you pause, especially if you're keeping an eye on your blood sugar. But here's the twist. Dates, despite their sugary reputation, have a low glycemic index. This means their natural sugars are released gradually, giving you sustained energy without those sharp blood sugar spikes. No sugar highs and crashes here, just a steady, balanced boost that's perfect for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Now, combine that with ginger and you've got a powerhouse for sugar regulation. Ginger improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body use glucose more effectively. Research even shows that ginger can lower fasting blood sugar, making it an excellent natural companion for managing conditions like diabetes. Picture this: starting your morning with a warm cup of ginger tea and a couple of sweet, satisfying dates. It's more than just a tasty ritual. It's a way to keep your sugar levels steady and your energy consistent throughout the day. Over time, this simple combo can help you feel more balanced and less prone to those dreaded energy slumps. Who would have thought a sweet treat could be so good for your blood sugar? Weight management. The lifelong puzzle for so many of us. Here's the good news. The combination of dates and ginger might be the missing piece you've been looking for. Dates are naturally sweet, making them a fantastic alternative to processed snacks that often throw our best efforts off course. Their high fiber content not only aids digestion, but also keeps you feeling full longer, which helps fend off those mid-afternoon or late-night cravings. And the best part, fiber ensures your body processes food efficiently, reducing the chance of unnecessary fat storage. And then there's ginger, the ultimate metabolism booster. Its thermogenic properties help your body burn calories more effectively, while its ability to curb appetite can reduce the urge to overindulge. Together, dates and ginger are like your personal weight management team, working behind the scenes to keep you on track. Whether you enjoy them as a mid-morning snack or blend them into a smoothie, this duo makes healthy eating not just manageable, but genuinely enjoyable. With consistent use, you'll feel lighter, more energized, and in better control of your health. Doesn't that sound like a win-win? Now let's talk about ginger's star power in this mix. Ginger is a metabolism booster, revving up your body to burn calories more efficiently. It also helps curb hunger by stabilizing appetite-regulating hormones, giving you better control over your cravings. Pair it with dates, and you've got the ultimate tag team. Dates satisfy your sweet tooth, while ginger keeps your metabolism working overtime. For a tasty, weight-friendly snack, blend dates, ginger, and a handful of almonds into energy balls. These little bites are portable, delicious, and keep you on track without compromising flavor. Stick with this combo, and over time, it can help you achieve your weight goals naturally and sustainably. After all, the best approach is one that feels good and works harmoniously with your body. Cognitive health. Have you ever walked into a room only to forget why you went there? It's a little amusing, sure, but also a nudge to prioritize your brain's health. Dates and ginger, my friend, are like a superfood duo for your mind, helping to keep it sharp and focused. Dates are packed with natural sugars, giving your brain the quick energy it needs to function at its best. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin B6, which supports neurotransmitters responsible for memory and mood. The antioxidants in dates, such as flavonoids, act like bodyguards for your brain cells, shielding them from oxidative stress and lowering the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Ginger, meanwhile, steps in like a brain booster, improving blood circulation to ensure your mind gets the oxygen and nutrients it craves. Some studies even hint that ginger can enhance reaction time and working memory, making it a natural ally for mental clarity and focus. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie made from dates, ginger, and a splash of coconut water. It's not just a flavorful treat, it's brain food in a glass. With regular use, this powerhouse combo can help you stay sharp, improve your memory, and wave goodbye to those forgetful moments. Your brain will thank you, my friend. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these insights on the amazing benefits of dates and ginger helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and delicious recipes. Check out our other videos on the screen now for more ways to enhance your health and wellness journey. Together, let's unlock the secrets to a vibrant life. See you next time.